Hello and welcome back to my little fashion corner. I have decided to continue I've got so many makeup palettes, so I might as well use them series that I have had going on during Vlogmas and post it once a week or so. So welcome to that situation. We're back to Naked Smoky palette because I still have some tutorials to follow, and that's exactly what we're doing today. So today we're following the Smoky Cat tutorial. It doesn't look intimidating per se, but it is intimidating enough for me because it includes an eyeliner and I do need to practice that. So might as well jump right into it. Step 1, getting hair out of my face. I'm still unsure about the putty primer. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Oh, I forgot to bring a mirror. But this will do. So in terms of fashion news, today I saw the Prada announcement about their Lunar New Year collection, Year of the Snake. I can't wait. I'm setting money aside, selling organs, all that whatnot. It's gonna be great. Alright, so step 1. Apply primer potion. Good. Using the smoky smudger brush, highlight the inner corner with high. Alright, so we're starting strong. Alright, I'm gonna use the smudge brush. Why are we starting with this though? What a peculiar step fun. And like, how much do I highlight it? I have questions. Do you guys want to come closer? I mean, I don't know if you want to, but might be useful. So working on that inner corner. Next up, with a flat shadow brush, apply Dirty Sweet at the edge of high and blend toward the center of the lid. Flat shadow brush, I'm gonna use this one. So eyeshadow one was high, that's the first one. And then we're going into this Dirty Sweet, golden-ish edge of high and then blending it into the center of the lid. I suppose. Next up, using a clean smoky smudger brush. Do they think we have that kind of time or what? Okay, using a clean smoky smudger brush, apply... Oh, sorry, no, I skipped a step. Dampen a clean shadow brush and apply Radar to the center of the lid, softly blending the color into Dirty Sweet. That is so much work. I did not expect that. Okay, I'm gonna grab a setting spray and be right back. Welcome back. Alright, so reading that again. Dampen a clean shadow brush and apply Radar to the center of the lid, softly blending the color into Dirty Sweet. Sounds like precision is involved, so I'm gonna use the tapered brush still. I am going to dampen it with setting spray. I used it to apply the Dirty Sweet eyeshadow, so it should be fine. Next eyeshadow in line is this shadow called Radar. So we're gonna go into that and we'll... because again, I don't trust precision work with blending brushes. And I immediately ran into technical difficulties, so here we are. Anyway, welcome back. So Radar, finishing center of the lid. Fluffy brush to blend it in. Wouldn't be me if I didn't mess it up a little, but I guess it's fine. Next up is using a clean smoky smudger brush, apply whiskey to the outer corner, softly fusing with the edge of radar. With the tapered crease brush, apply whiskey to the crease and softly blend toward the center lid. Okay, I'm gonna use my tapered brush to apply shadow called whiskey, and then I'm gonna use smudge brush to smudge it out in the outer corner. So whiskey is this one. Okay, and now with tapered brush, I'm supposed to work it into my crease. I don't know if this is a good idea. Alright, now smudge brush, working on the outer corner. I don't think it looks bad. I just don't know if it looks like the picture. I'm using a blending brush, their blending brush from the palette, just to soften it. It was just really odd looking. And I don't want to blame the instructions, I definitely can blame me, but just needed a little bit of softening. Alright, we are on to step 6. Apply Demolition 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil to the lower lash line. Fuse and blend whiskey into that eyeliner. Eye pencil. I do not have that eye pencil. I've got NARS Climax and Revolution, just like black eye pencil. I haven't used the NARS pencil yet, so if no now, then when? I don't know how to do that. Let's pretend this is great. I wanted to do like a thicker as I go closer to my outer corner. I don't know if it worked. Still the same eyeshadow called Whiskey. Smudge brush. Alright, smudge brush, whiskey, and we're gonna blend it out, or smudge it out. Again, it doesn't look bad, but I don't know if it looks like what it's supposed to. I've got one more eye to do, and then we're gonna panic about it. Okay, there's lots of fallout happening, so I try to fix it a little. The corners of my eyes are not exactly stunning, so we're gonna try to fix that. I was gonna tell you about the Prada Lunar New Year collection quite enthusiastically, and then I got distracted and panicked when this didn't exactly go very well. Year of the Snake, love serpents, love the theme of serpents. Prada, love Prada. So things are lining up. Definitely setting money aside. Definitely gonna bite. Alright, using the Perversion angled brush, line the upper lash line with Perversion super saturated cream eyeliner, starting at the inner corner and using a long clean stroke, extend the line upward at the outer corner. You could also apply Black Market wet with an angled brush. Right, so I can barely do an eyeliner with a pen, so I definitely don't have a brush and eyeliner. Good for you if you have got that type of skill. I can only dream, I can only aspire. I've got Rare Beauty eye pencil. It's got a quite wide, quite thick felt tip. My hoodie is absolutely filthy. Great. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna try to follow that direction by using this brush stroke to sort of help me out, but you know what? You can do this, Linda. Alright, their shape is like this. My shape is this. But I fear if I start making it thicker, it's gonna go horribly wrong. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm not touching it anymore. I'm gonna try replicate it on this eye. I am like the level of anxiety. Okay, it's immediately different. It is what it is. Till it ain't, you know what I mean? Continue on the lower lash line, making small tight strokes in the lashes. Create a small flick on the outer corner for a sexy feline look. I don't know if I can do that. I don't like it. I don't like the lower eyeline. Next time I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna just stick with the eye pencil and smudging it out. And then lash primer and mascara, and fill in lips with Bad Blood lip pencil and matte Bad Blood lipstick. I don't have Urban Decay mascara. I've got my NARS Climax that I'm currently using. That's the eyes. I'm gonna do a little bit of the Ole Henriksen Bright Vitamin Stick Lip Concealer. And setting powder, I've got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, my very trusty kabuki brush. And that's it. I'm sure that the Bad Blood lipstick and eye pencil that the tutorial calls for is a red one, which I'm not gonna do today, but hey, like this is what we were going for. This is what we ended up with. Again, like next time I'm gonna do it without the liquid eyeliner on the bottom lash line or the bottom lid, and just do the top I feel like it's a bit too much. I felt like just smudging the eye pencil with the eyeshadow was enough. Otherwise, I'm not mad at it. It is a great exercise for me to practice the eyeliner. So I'm gonna figure out a shade of lipstick that goes well with this for a thumbnail. Maybe it'll be just a lip gloss that is just slightly shimmery, slightly curved. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out for a thumbnail, but thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for coming back to playing with eye palettes videos. I feel like it's been great fun to do it for Vlogmas, and I think that is sort of, it makes me feel a little bit better about having all these palettes just sitting there. So I'm gonna try to stick with it as much as I can. I'm gonna keep you posted, quite literally. That's me signing out. Okay, bye.